In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add admin to an Instagram page. We're going to do this using Meta Business Suite, which is the backend tool that connects your Facebook assets with your Instagram accounts. This is the safest and most organized way to give someone access, instead of sharing your login details. First, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. Make sure you're logged into the Facebook account that owns or manages the Instagram page you want to share access to. Once the page loads, you'll see your business dashboard with an overview of your connected assets. Next, look for the settings option. Depending on your layout, this is usually on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on settings to open your business settings area. This is where you manage people, permissions, and all the assets connected to your business. Inside settings, find and click on the option that says invite people. This lets you add new users to your business so they can help manage things like your Instagram account. When the invite window opens, you'll see a field where you can type in their email. Enter the email address of the person you want to add as an admin or manager. Make sure it's an address they actively use, since they'll receive an invitation there. After you've entered the email, click on Next to move forward. On the next screen, you'll see a toggle for full control, sometimes described as full control over everything. Here, you can decide how much power this person should have. If you trust them to manage all aspects of your business assets, you can leave full control turned on. If you only want them to have limited access, turn this toggle off and keep their role more restricted. Take a moment here to think about what level of access makes sense. Once you've chosen the level of control, click in Next again. Now you'll see a section called Select Asset Type. In the list, click on Instagram accounts. This tells Meta that you want to assign access specifically to one or more Instagram pages. You'll now see the Instagram account or accounts connected to your business. Click on the Instagram page or pages you want this person to manage. When you're happy with your selection, click Next one more time. Finally, you'll see a button that says something like Invite with Number Assets. Click that button to send the invitation. The person will receive an email asking them to accept, and once they do, they'll have the access you just set up for your Instagram page.